Hi, I'm Steve Wood from ManyWho, and in this demo I'm going to show you how ManyWho can be used to drive workflow in Zuora. So you can see here we have an account for Acme Inc., and that account currently seems okay, and it has a couple of subscriptions here that are active for our light user product. And in this scenario we're going to imagine that Acme Inc. Has not paid their invoices and they've gone past basically the payment window on the account. As a result, what we want to do is suspend the account for non-pay. What we've done is configured Zuora to send ManyWho a notification when the account goes past due. So down here, if we look at the notification messages, you can see there's a call out on invoices past due that calls ManyWho. The workflow in ManyWho is pretty straightforward. It simply cancels all the subscriptions for that account. So it starts by loading the subscriptions for the account, getting the first subscription from the list, applying an amendment to the subscription and applying that back to Zuora. It continues around this loop until there are no further subscriptions to cancel. It then applies a suspend for non-pay to the account object and saves that back to Zuora. To simulate this, I'm going to use Postman, which is an add-on for Chrome. This is what the notification would do if it was fired. So you can see here I've got the callout information and the URL I'm going to send it to. You don't need to worry about this, I'm just simulating what Zuora would do for you. And you can see that our workflow has executed successfully. Now going back to Zuora, let's see what's happened to the account. So you can see here our Acme Inc. account has now been suspended for non-pay and that the subscriptions have been cancelled. So this gives you an example of how ManyWho can be used to automate a lot of the back-end workflows that are common in operating Zuora.